welcome to Gregory's
bike check. Today we're going to be checking Gregory's bike.
So, we've got the Aaron Ross orange tires right here.
Yep.
We've got this BD sign.
Interesting. You are a pretty nice person. How does it feel owning a bike this good?
Pretty good. So, we've got these Odai grips, I think.
Odai grips, no? Nicely done. And exactly how much did this bike cost?
I think slightly $261 off of maybe Craigslist, I think. My dad got it for me.
That might be nice. Whoop, whoop.
We've got a nice smooth seat. I don't know what it is.
May I touch it?
Yeah.
Sorry about that, folks. You know how the camera goes. We're doing this on an iPad.
Right here, we've got the Pro Grind Diamondback.
Pro Grind Diamondback.
It's got a nice nice orange silverish, sparkly coating. Orange rim in the front, if I mentioned.
And how?
Three-piece cranks.
And how fast do you think this will go? Down a very steep hill.
Pretty fast. It's a BMX, so yeah.
BMX, very nice.
Right here. This is also my three-piece crank.
Very successful.
With the diamondback.
And what are these? And what are the silver?
We've got some silver, I think. I can't remember what they're made out of. I think it's like
iron, right?
Iron, maybe? So
looks like
strong.
Let me see. That feels like iron, folks.
And we've got this small hub in the back, small diamondback hub, big hub in the front.
And what is your dream for bikes?
I want to be a famous BMX rider when I grow up.
Yes, and I ask you, good sir, how famous?
Best BMX rider in the world. Great. Sorry.
Very nice.
We've got the silver rim in the back. Nice Tendai Aaron Ross tires.
Nice. Very nice.
We've got the show this down here. We've got the nice orange sprocket with the good chain.
Ooh, an orange sprocket.
How did I just put it? I think that's all for right now, so Greg signing off.
Okay, folks, and it looks like that's all for today of Gregory's bike check.
Wait,
see you next time, and
no.